Good morning from Larnaca, and more specifically from Finikoudes beach, the most popular beach in this Cypriotic town with a population of 50,000 people. So this sea promenade is one of the most popular sites in the city, and I'm right now at the pier here with a nice walk, and on the other side you can see also the Larnaca fort, a castle that's right next to the beach, and that's also one of the main sites here in Larnaca. So this is how the pier looks like, and we can see also the port around 800 meters away from here. And yeah, unfortunately today is day 15, the last day of my winter vacation in Cyprus, and I decided to explore Larnaca today as I have a flight to catch at 4 p.m. from the airport that's 5 kilometers away from here, and we can see one airplane that is landing currently in 2 minutes time onto the Larnaca airport. And you can basically also walk all the way to the airport along the coast, which I will try to do later, as I have two more beaches to explore here, which is the Castella beach and Mackenzie, where I will try to have nice view over some landings, because that is exactly where the plane now is landing. So yeah, that's where I'm heading after this. And yes, now it's time to take a swim once again in Finikoudes. So if you have seen my first episode from 21st of December, that is right after I landed. I went right here. It was a rainy day, that one, and cloudy. There was so much waves here, so I look really forward to take a swim right now, because the water seems a bit more clear today. So let's go. So I'm going to choose which side, but I'm thinking, because I have already done on this part of the beach, I will then take a swim here next to the castle where the Finikoudes beach actually ends. And you can see the pier from here as well. It's nice for walks, especially in the evening. They have also some Christmas decoration. And yeah, so that is the castle, Larnaca Castle. The beach it has not actual sand. This is, well, it's wet sand, to be fair. It's not like I'm used to in Ayia Napa or Protaras. Clear white sand there is. And someone has written here Novim Godom 2024 in Russian language. Yes, that's the fort. And there is a nice promenade along the coast there that I'm gonna explore two more beaches. Alright, I'm the only person in the water right now along the low coast, but it's 10 a.m. and then again, this is not as popular tourist destination, Larnaca, as Ayia Napa, for example, or Protaras, or even Paphos on the west coast of Cyprus. But Larnaca it has 50,000 population, and it has an airport, obviously, so it's quite many people land here, and yeah, it's a nice city. I had the chance to walk around also on my first day and today as well, and now we have also a glimpse of sun coming in. So here we have shallow waters, there are not so much waves, the tide is low, so we need to walk a bit until we get to a place for a swim. But the water temperature, I checked, it's 19.6 degrees Celsius. That's around half degree warmer than in Ayia Napa. I'm sure there is a reason why, but still warm sea temperature for the being 4th of January 2024, right? I'm still walking and continue to walk into the water. The water is see-through, I can see the bottom clearly. There is nobody that is taking a swim as far as I can see in the horizon. And now there is some seaweed below that I can see. And hopefully for some more sun later today to make the most out of my last day in Cyprus. Let's see when I'm gonna return back. It might happen because it is so beautiful here. And if I need to choose a time slot when I'm gonna come here to Cyprus, I would definitely pick a time somewhere between October to December, I would say. With the peak being October because the day is obviously longer. So the last week of October would be the perfect way. That is what I'm gonna come if I had the chance once again. But yeah, okay, now we are in for the morning swim. It's 10 a.m. exactly right now. So first swim of the day, day 15 in Finikoudes beach with this wonderful view that I have all the way from the Larnaca Airport along the beaches Mackenzie, Castella Beach, and the biggest one in Larnaca, Finikoudes, that you can see, and the port. And we can see also along the coast all the way to almost Ayia Napa there at the horizon. It's around 55 kilometers to Ayia Napa from Larnaca. It took me 1 hour bus ride. There are two options. So one is the normal local bus that stops at many stations. The travel time is 1 hour and the price is €1.50, very cheap. And there is also one intercity bus that stops at fewer stops. The trip is around 40 minutes maybe, and that costs €4. And obviously you can come by private transfers and taxis, obviously. Or you can bicycles. Why not? Cool, then let's dive in and enjoy this beautiful day, 4th of January, the last day of my Cyprus vacation. Let's go! Woohoo! Now that was a very long dive, unusually long dive, but I really was in a roll. Cool, that's nice and brilliant. So thanks a lot then for watching this episode from Finikoudes beach in Larnaca, Cyprus on this January morning. And yeah, I'm gonna see you soon again with a few more beach adventures from Larnaca and rest of the world, obviously, on my channel that is called Beach Adventures with Chris.